Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now, before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, when you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device. There we go. You want to push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for one SIM card and, lo and behold, one SD card. On the second one, where you have the SD card tray, you can also place a secondary SIM card, though that would then prevent you from using a SD card. Now, I'm going to be just using a SIM card as some interesting person at the office yoinked my SD card, so I don't have one to just kind of plop in here, but obviously it will go here with the chip side, which is the silvery part, upwards, and then you want to insert it back into your device. It only enters one way, and you can see it's automatically working, so it's prompting me to insert my SIM card pin. Once I do so, it unlocks it, and if you inserted an SD card, it would just work without any steps needed. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.